Online or offline, quality pictures are one of the main items needed to engage consumers and build our brands. In order to have those pictures we need, it is necessary to either take them ourselves or buy them. In the age of the internet, some have tried using high quality pictures by simply downloading them from various sites online. This has inevitably led to lawsuits that have cost the user of those ill-gotten pictures thousands of dollars in fines. Stock images can be extremely costly to purchase for the average user's needs. There are a couple of different licenses. Rights Managed is the first of this type, and it is the priciest. 000 to 500 for a single picture is typical. The second is high-resolution royalty-free images. These are typically 00 to 00 in price, certainly much better than the first, but when you consider you may need half a dozen to a dozen pictures for a single project, then it is easy to see this can be a princely amount for the average user. When it comes to the royalty-free license of a photo, there are a variety of them and you should always read the details to know what rights you have. Generally these are a flat fee, and for that fee, there are a wide range of uses that are acceptable. It still means in many cases that you are only able to use it once, so if you are wanting to use the same picture on multiple projects, the cost will be more. This fact leads to what is now known as microstock sites, which offer high-resolution royalty-free images for considerably less. These sites are still offering royalty-free images, but for a price that ranges from as little as 0.00 up to around 5.00, depending on the size and quality. For those that need an extended license, those can also be purchased from these types of sites as well. These sites were able to come about due in part to the new digital cameras that allow average users to take high-quality pictures and sell them on these microstock sites. While many of these amateur photographers are not pros with a good camera and the knowledge to touch the photos up with Photoshop, these pictures can be unique and of very high quality. Two of the most recognizable sites selling these pictures are Shutterstock and iStock Photo. The latter became so successful that the infamous Getty Images negotiated a buyout of the company for an estimated $0 million. For the typical user of photos, for promotional reasons, the normal route of purchasing rights to use those photos is simply way beyond what is reasonable for them. For that reason, it is highly recommended that you consider the microstock sites for most of your needs. These can often offer sizes suitable for anything online, and 300 by, which can be used for any offline purposes. In closing, just make certain you read your license agreement. Do not assume that because the license reads one way on one site, that another site will offer the same license agreement.